Hello. Since my school days, I was very much interested in physics. And when there was a selection, means what subject to be selected for a graduation, I consulted my father. He said, whatever you like, take it, but do it sincerely and seriously. Then I opted for physics for my graduation, post graduation, and later for doctorate's degree. When I was learning physics in my college days, at that time I realized that with the help of that knowledge of physics, I can understand the various phenomena occurring not only on the earth but in the universe. I can easily understand various devices operating around me. I can understand their functioning, etc. For example, how this camera operates, or how this source give me light, and so on. In college, once I was struggling with some equation. That expression was little bit complicated. Its left hand side was simple, but right hand side was somehow I was not able to understand it. Then what I did is I separated those terms, rearranged those terms. Then I realized the beauty of that expression, and from then onwards, this became my hobby, in the sense that play with that equation, try to find out their meaning, and then sometimes try to find out their limitations, and various things come out from one point to other, or various logical steps were so beautiful. Then when being a curious character, I always used to think like this: how this specific equation must have come, or one who was while discovering this thing or inventing this thing must have thought, means what was his thought, or how he could write down this equation, or that hypothesis or assumption or model, whatever it is. And out of this curiosity, I started reading various magazines such as Physics Today, Physics World, Scientific American, New Scientist, then the biographies and autobiographies of physicists. Then slowly I realized that not only physics, but the history of physics is also fascinating. And what I think is this, means what I feel is this: every physics student should, along with his physics, should learn this history, because it is interesting, and your understanding of the physics can be better with the help of this history. And there are good number of books are also easily available. For me, this studying physics and history of physics became journey of joy, and I enjoyed it.